Imagine waking up every day without an alarm clock, no one to answer to, and no looming deadlines. You get to enjoy your passions, travel the world, and cherish time with your loved ones. And the best part is, your bank account continues to grow. This secret isn't just for the wealthy or elite. It's a method anyone can use to achieve financial freedom and live the life they've always wanted. Stay tuned if you're ready to leave the daily grind and embrace a life of comfort and riches. Working hard every hour of the day does not guarantee riches. What does is to work smartly and adopt proven ways that allow you to get rich without having to slave away and give out all of your time. Here are a few ways to do this. Real Estate Investment Trust, REITs. If you've ever wanted to own a piece of prime real estate but didn't have the funds or knowledge to invest in property, then real estate investment trusts might be the answer you've been searching for. Real estate investment trusts are companies that own or finance income-generating real estate properties such as office buildings, hotels, malls, apartments, and more. These companies pool funds from investors like you and use the money to buy and manage a diversified portfolio of real estate assets. What's great about investing in a real estate investment trust is that you don't need to be a real estate expert to benefit from the returns. By investing in real estate investment trusts, you can earn a share of the rental income generated by the properties owned by the real estate investment trusts. And as the value of the properties increases, so does the value of your investment. Plus, real estate investment trusts are required to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to their shareholders in the form of dividends. This means you can earn a steady passive income without lifting a finger. Buy and hold dividend-paying stocks. Buying and holding dividend-paying stocks is a proven way to earn passive income and build wealth over time. These stocks of established and reputable companies pay a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. And the best part is these companies tend to be stable and have a track record of consistent performance. By investing in these stocks and holding on to them for a long term, you can earn regular passive income and benefit from the growth in value of the stocks themselves. It's like having your cake and eating it too. But don't be mistaken, buying and holding dividend-paying stocks is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and a long-term outlook. However, it can be a lucrative way to build wealth and achieve financial freedom over time. Rental properties. Rental properties offer a way to generate passive income without active work. With a steady monthly income, owning rental properties can be your path to financial freedom. However, it's important to note that investing in rental properties requires a certain amount of effort and time initially. After all expenses are paid, you'll need to find the right property in the right location to generate a positive cash flow. This means researching and crunching the numbers to ensure you are making a wise investment. Once you've found the perfect property, you must be a responsible landlord. This means maintaining the property, responding to tenant requests promptly, and handling any issues that may arise. But the good news is that you can outsource many of these responsibilities to property management companies, freeing up your time even more. You can earn monthly passive income with rental properties without working a traditional job. This means more time to pursue your passions, travel, or spend with loved ones. And the best part is, rental properties can appreciate in value over time, meaning your investment can grow in value while you continue to earn rental income. Affiliate marketing. For those who may not be familiar with the concept, it is quite straightforward. Essentially, affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services and receiving a commission for each sale made via your unique affiliate link. Think of it as a kind of online referral system. You recommend a product or service that you genuinely believe in, and if someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a cut of the profits. And the best part? Once you set up your affiliate links and start promoting them, you can sit back and watch the money roll in without having to do any additional work. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to have your own product or service to sell. You simply find companies that offer products or services that align with your niche or target audience and promote them to your followers or website visitors. This allows you to leverage your existing trust and relationship with your audience and offer them something valuable without creating it yourself. With the rise of social media and online marketing, there are countless opportunities for affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless, from blog posts and social media posts to YouTube videos and email marketing campaigns. And with the right strategies and tactics, you can earn significant passive income through affiliate marketing. Digital products. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not an expert in anything. How could I possibly create and sell a digital product? But don't worry, you don't need to be an expert to create a product that people will want to buy. Think about your hobbies or interests. Is there something you're passionate about that others might be interested in learning more about? Perhaps you're a skilled photographer or writer. Maybe you're an expert in a particular software or programming language. Whatever your skill or talent may be, there are people out there who would be willing to pay to learn from you. Creating a digital product may seem daunting at first, but it's easier than you might think. You can use free tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to design an ebook cover or create graphics for your course. Plenty of affordable platforms like Teachable or Udemy make creating and selling online courses easy. Once you've created your product, you can start selling it online and earn passive income from the sales. The best part? Once you've created your product, you don't need to do anything else. You can sit back and watch the sales come in while focusing on other things. Royalties. This is a proven method to achieve financial success without requiring traditional employment. Imagine making money while you sleep because you created something people love. As a writer, artist, or musician, you can license your work to earn royalties every time it's used or sold. That means you'll get paid every time your song is played on the radio or your book is sold. And the best part is that once you've created and licensed your work, you don't have to do anything else. You can sit back and relax while the money rolls in. It's a dream come true for any creative person who wants to make a living doing what they love. So if you're a writer, artist, or musician, don't waste any more time working a job you hate. Start creating and licensing your work. You could be on your way to a life of passive income and financial freedom. Create and sell an app. In the age of digital technology, the world is hungry for apps that can do everything from making life easier to providing hours of entertainment. And if you've got a fantastic idea for an app that can do just that, you could be the next big thing in the tech world. The demand for apps is booming right now, and there's never been a better time to cash in on this trend. Whether you are an experienced programmer or a newcomer to the field, creating an app that people love can be the key to financial success. All you need is a little bit of creativity and technical know-how to develop your app and make it available on the App Store. Once your app is on the market, it has the potential to generate passive income from app downloads and in-app purchases. Of course, developing an app isn't easy. It takes time, effort, and some level of technical expertise. But the payoff can be enormous if you're willing to put in the work. And once your app takes off, you can sit back and watch the money roll in without ever having to worry about working again. Create a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel might initially seem intimidating, but it's quite simple. All you need is a camera, even your smartphone camera will do, and creativity. You can make videos on any topic you are passionate about, whether it's cooking, beauty, gaming, or even just sharing your daily life. Once you build up a following on your channel, you can earn money through ad revenue. This means that YouTube will pay you for the ads that play before or during your videos. The more views your videos get, the more money you can earn. But that's not all. Once your channel has a significant following, you can also earn money through sponsorships and merchandise sales. Brands will pay you to promote their products to your audience, and you can even create your own merchandise like t-shirts or stickers to sell to your fans. Creating a YouTube channel is a proven way to get rich without working a traditional job. Of course, it takes time and effort to build up your following and start earning money. But if you're passionate about creating content and sharing your voice with the world, starting a YouTube channel might be the perfect way to achieve financial freedom. Remember, the secret to getting rich without working isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding what works for you and sticking with it. Building your income streams and seeing significant results takes time, effort, and dedication. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be truly life-changing. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring the endless possibilities of the world around you.